Hello everyone, welcome back to AG Blind. My name is Gio.
And this is Ambika Geo. First of all, we would like to thank each and every one of you for the enormous amount of like and support for our first video. Thank you so much. So, what are we cooking today?
So today we are going to share with you guys how to make a chicken tikka masala.
Wow, that's my favorite dish and our kids like it too.
That's right, so you will also like it. It's so easy to make it. Stay with me.
And we had a lot of friends that had recommended to put this recipe on, so stay tuned guys.
Alright everyone, to make the chicken tikka masala, I'll be using 2.11 pound boneless chicken breast. To make the chicken tikka masala, the spices you need: 1 cup plain yogurt, half lemon juice, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1.5 tablespoon Tandoori chicken masala, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, and you need a 1 tablespoon garam masala and 1 tablespoon salt. Now you need to mix all together onto the chicken. The chicken is already washed and cleaned properly, so now we're gonna add all the ingredients into the chicken. So I'm adding 1 tablespoon the garam masala and the salt first, and half lemon, 1 tablespoon ginger garlic paste, 1 cup yogurt, 1 tablespoon Kashmiri chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1.5 tablespoon tandoori chicken masala. Now you need to give a good mix. I'm using hand, you can use a spoon or fork, whatever you like. You need to apply everywhere. The next step you need to do, get the fork, make a hole in the chicken like this, so all the spices is going to go inside. Now you need to keep this one in the fridge at least 2 hours. I'll be doing it overnight. If you keep it longer, it tastes better. Alright everyone, so my grill is ready, so I'm going to spray some olive oil. Put the heat down, add the chicken. I'm going to set the grill 300 degrees and close the lid. Alright everyone, time to flip the chicken. I flipped the chicken. Now again you need to cook this side 10 minutes 300 degrees. Alright guys, so our chicken is ready now. I'm going to turn the grill off and just set it for like 10 minutes. Next ingredients you need: 1 whole white onion chopped, 4 cloves garlic sliced, 1 whole red pepper sliced, and handful of cilantro. Also you need 1 can of tomato sauce. This is like a 15 ounce. And you need a heavy whipping cream. Make sure it's a heavy whipping cream. Alright, the pan is getting hot, so I'll be adding a small piece of butter. Also adding 2 tablespoons of oil. I use the coconut oil. You can use any oil, it's fine. Now you need to add the red pepper. Alright guys, so our red pepper is ready. I fried this one like 3 minutes. Now I'm going to remove it. Now add the garlic. Give it a good mix. Now add the onion. Add the onion and give a good mix. Also adding 1 tablespoon salt. Give it a good mix. Close the lid for like maybe 3 minutes. Alright guys, so our onion is like light brown now. Now ready to add our other ingredients. So put the heat down. I will be adding 1 tablespoon of Kashmiri chili powder. Kashmiri chili powder, I'm using this one just for the color. You can add food coloring, but I'm making this for my kids, so I don't want to add any food color. Give it a good mix. Now I am going to add 1 tablespoon of Garam Masala and give it a good mix. Alright guys, so now time to add tomato sauce. 1 can of tomato sauce. Give it a good mix. Close the lid and cook it for like maybe 3 to 4 minutes on medium heat. Alright guys, the tomato sauce is ready. Now we need to add chicken. I already sliced the chicken like into small pieces. Now add the chicken into the sauce and give it a good mix. I'm gonna close the lid for 2 minutes. If you don't have a grill, you can fry the chicken in the oil and use the same pan to cook it. When I add my chicken, I had some leftover oil in the grill, so I used that oil also in it, so you get like a more flavor. Now open the lid, give it a good mix, add the red pepper, give it a good mix, and add the heavy whipping cream. This is like a 2.5 cup whipping cream. Make sure you put the heavy whipping cream and give it a good mix. Close the lid, cook it for 3 minutes. Now open the lid, add 3 tablespoons of kasuri methi, it's dry fenugreek leaves. Give it a good mix. Close the lid. So I will open the lid, add some cilantro. Look at that guys. It's done. Turn the stove off. Now close the lid, set it for like 5 minutes and ready to serve.
Alright guys, so we will be serving our chicken tikka masala with garlic naan bread, which is made in clay oven back in India. This is a frozen food. It can be found in any Indian grocery stores, and we bought this from our Tampa grocery, and the brand name for this naan bread is Deep. So this is a frozen item which can be found in any Indian store. Basically, before you serve, this can be left outside like a couple of hours before you warm it up in the microwave, or put it in the fridge overnight. Let's take 2 of the naans out. Wow, it looks so good. Alright guys, our garlic naan is ready to be warmed up. I'm gonna put this in the microwave for 1 minute 30 seconds. Alright guys, our naan bread is ready. So to make it more tastier, we add some butter on top of it. You can melt some butter and add it on top of it like that, or you can also brush it up if you want to.
Alright guys, so our chicken tikka masala and the garlic naan is ready to be served.
Oh my god, I'm so excited to taste it. Can we taste it?
Yes, let's go.
Alright guys, so we are gonna taste our chicken tikka masala with our garlic naan. Right, you wanna taste
It looks so amazing.
You wanna taste this first, or?
Yes, I will.
Right. So you can dip it,
How do you put
or
this on?
you can put it on the top. Either way, it will taste yummy. Let me take some.
So good, guys.
It's amazing. The flavor with the garlic bread is so delicious. So try it, guys. Hope you guys like it.
The chicken is so soft. Man, it's good. It's really good. You should try it. And let us know how it is. Alright guys, so thank you for watching. Please like and share and subscribe.
We're saying bye for now. Until we see you next time.
So
please
stay blessed.